So one thing you've gotten a chance to do is work with a lot of great lighting designers. Talk a little bit about that. Talk a little bit about the designers you've worked with at our events that we've had. You went to Greece.
I did.
How was that?
Oh, like event of a life or time of a life. Yeah. Like I took Michelle for our like 20th wedding anniversary, maybe 20th. And Eleftheria like showed us around, and we got to experience Athens and a lot of the architectural lighting in the city. And then and then there was like a 2-star Michelin or 3-star Michelin restaurant that she did this amazing lighting that cast perfect shadows underneath a plate. It was eye-opening to see, when we talk, we're like, let's play with the light and see what it does. Whereas she talks, she's like, no, I don't play with lights.
Yeah.
Like I know what the light does. And therefore I can picture it in my mind's eye. And then I just do that. And so there's just an artistry to it that I think we realized that, as, our purpose in Sterling is to elevate the outdoor lighting industry. Like we could start trying to incorporate that and push, designers forward and kind of get them to elevate it, because as their designs are more valued and better, then they will make more money. And also it just raises the perception of, what lighting really does do, rather than the guy throwing a light in the ground because he had a trench open and then calling it a lighting design, which, it's like, that's nice, I guess. But, if you see design with intention, like there's nothing that replaces it. Like you think the nighttime looks better than it does during the day.